How to remove professional account on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon. Now, go to the menu bar. If your account is a professional account, scroll down and then you will find an option of account type and tools here. And if you have a professional account, you will get an option of switch to personal account. Since my account is already personal, I do not have that option and I only have the option to add new professional account or switch to professional account. Now, in order to remove professional account, you will get an option if you already have a professional account. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.